evening, everyone. My name is Akash, and this is Know Your Bicycle. Today, this is the third day of lockdown in Delhi, and I am on the way to get some desi ghee from a store nearby. And hereby, I'll be checking out the roads, the crowd, people, the traffic, all of that will be covered. So here we go now. I'm riding e-motorrad KARBON right now. It's an electric bike. As you can see, I can just throttle, and the bike can reach up to a speed of 25 kilometers an hour. Time is 4 o'clock. दिल्ली में कोरोना का सीन बहुत ही ख़राब हो रहा है गाइस. And I think cycling is the best way to not only stay fit but also to commute from A to B, either to meet friends or get groceries. I can see a lot of Swiggy and Zomato people running around. Here you find one. Yes, there are a lot of commuters on the road right now. Oh, again, another Zomato. idea about electric bicycle is a very simple one. imagine about your working out in a gym, okay? And you are seeking someone's help in making some more reps. जिम में जैसे हम कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करती है और उसमें कोई रैप अगर हमको कंप्लीट करने के लिए किसी की हेल्प लेनी पड़ती है जब, so it becomes easier, right? With someone's help you will do even like 5-6 reps. जो आप without someone's help you will easily do somewhere around 2 to 3. वैसे ही साइकिलिंग में, स्पेशली इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक्स में ऐसा होता है कि with the help of this motor you will be able to go up to 40, 45, 50 kilometers. That is without exerting much. Where I'm going is somewhere around 2 kilometers from my house. And here I am at the store. Line? Okay, so there's a line. आंटी जी बहुत घूर रही है भैया। Okay. So I've got the key now. We are on the way home. Delhi Meerut Expressway. Basically, you can call it a highway. And this particular line which I am taking right now is a service line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 7 like 14. तो 14 lanes का ये एक highway है. We call it NH24. And this goes all the way to Meerut. Now you can have a better look at it. A 3-lane which is coming down from here to this, and again 3 on that side. So 7, and then 7 on the same other again on that side. कौन कहता है दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन है भाई? It's not like what we had last time in last year, August. That was oh my god, I still remember पूरी road खाली, and I used to be the only one cycling around getting stuff from one place to another. Oh, it was really an actual lockdown. This I would not call a lockdown here. People are moving out, going from Delhi to Noida. Border seal nahi hai. One can go anywhere. But as long as they are safe and sound, it's fine here. I just want people to be safe. Oh, is it? It's close to roads. Oh God. How will the cyclists go now? Oh, the cyclists are also taking a U-turn now. साइकिल तो निकाल देंगे हमारी ही है. अच्छा चलिए भाई, साइकिल वालों के लिए रास्ता है. Oh, this is how cyclists make their way. So easy. And my apartment is right there, so it was easy for me to take a cut like this. क्या चल रहा है? खेलो खेलो खेलो. People need to do something to pass time in lockdown. Glad I have a bicycle. Okay, so guys, this is what my ride looks like. E-motor carbon, a fat tire folding electric fat bicycle, you can call it. And yeah, thank you so much.